Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, and awa po ng Diyos, meron na naman po tayong panibagong vlog. But before I start guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button kung hindi pa po kayo subscriber. And please click the notification bell para po updated kayo sa mga videos ko. Thanks in advance guys!
Okay guys, so this is how we will receive the product. And yan, nakabalot siya ng pagkakapal-kapal na karton and bubble wrap. And yeah, it arrived safely. Wala guys, para makita ninyo. I will be removing the plastic muna para din makita natin kung ano ang ano niya. And yung observation ko rito guys is this one. Metal. Pero mas maganda guys, tanggalin muna natin yung plastic para mas makita natin kung anong ano niya. And this one is foam, no? May foam siya rito. Okay. Wait a minute guys, okay? Okay guys, so this is a 4-step ladder. Yung height nito guys is almost 150 centimeters, so 1.5 meters siguro to or less, no? Pero ayun nga, this is nakasara pa, no? So once I open it, syempre bababa yan. Okay, so I will check kung gaano siya kataas. So ayan na guys, nakabukas na siya, no? Yan. So this is Toyota Innova, and you will see here, yan, ganyan siya kataas natin guys. Yan. So tamang tama, no? Maaabot ko na ng maayos yung bubong ng ating sasakyan. And ayan. So hindi na ako mahihirapan mag-wax, maglinis, mag-car wash. However, yung pinaka-cons nito guys is yung siyempre katagalan, mangangalawang ito, because I think this is metal and I don't know if it's aluminum. So ayan guys, so ito naman medyo flaw din to kasi it could have been better kung tornilyo siya, no? That can be tightened, no? Pero sadly, ano lang siya, para siyang ayan, tingnan niyo yung ano niya, interlocking niya. Ayan, no? Nakikita niyo ba? I also tried it already na, and I weigh at 200 pounds, so medyo may konting rattle, konti siguro. That is because of my weight, no? Konti lang, gumaganyan lang siyang konti, pero I feel very safe with this ladder, no? And then guys, so abot ko na. So actually sa third step pa lang abot ko na, because I am 5'8" in height. So I could have bought the 3-step na lang siguro. And ayan nga guys, yung ano niya, specifications niya. So tama ako. Pag naka-close siya, 150 siguro. And then pagka naka-open na siya is 127 cm yung ano niya, yung pinaka-height niya. And which is really good. And ayan nga guys, yung tapakan, totoo yun, 26 cm yun yung lapad, kaya talagang secured yung mga paa natin dito. So 26 cm, so 10, 20 and 6, 26, no? And then ito yun, yung 38 totoo, so 10, 20, 38. Yun yung ano niya guys, yun yung size niya, and it's good, no? So ito maybe sa pag ano lang to guys, sa pag pack nila, pero all good. Yun lang ang ano ko rito. Meron din siyang parang lock dito. I don't know how this is. Sandali guys, iangat natin. Okay. I cannot wait lang guys. So, and meron siyang ano rito guys, yung parang naglalak. Ayan guys, ito. Stopper. Bago nyo ma-close, meron siyang ano rito. Ayan. Aalisin nyo muna to. And when you come, it will lock. No? It will lock into place. Ayan. So then, meron din siyang, ito yung mga ribs or supporting ano niya. Ito. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Oh. This could have been better kung bolts ito. Tapos yung likod niya is not. Ayan. However, it's not. So, ito pa yung isa pang support niya guys. Ito. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo pang mas ano dyan, safe yan, lagyan nyo ng alambre dito guys. So, pumunta ron. Para mas solid siya, diba? Kung talagang medyo mabigat kayo. Yan. So, ito plastic. Parang plastic. Ito metal. Plastic also. This is plastic. Yun. Ito yung sinasabi ko. This could have been better kung bolt ito. And then, nut yan dito sa likod. And, yun lang yung napansin ko sa kanya. So, meron lang konting ano rito, damage, maybe because of the packaging, but it's all good. Okay lang naman yun. Maliit na bagay, no? And yun, so I think yun na po, wala naman pong ano, yun, no? Medyo may rattle lang ng konti. I am 200 pounds, maybe because of the ano, floor, no? Dahil hindi pantay kaya gumagano siya, but this is way sturdy and very good for its price. So I got this for around 1,700 sale. Kapag hindi ito naka-sale guys, 1,900 or 2,000. 4 steps yun, and then the 3 steps is 1,500 I guess, 1,500 something. Then the 2 steps is 1,200, 1,300, and the actually yun na 2, 3, and 4 steps lang yan available. Ayan guys, so yan, I think panalo. So for someone like me that is big, 200 pounds ako 210 something ano ng pounds ko, this is way better than getting an aluminum type of ladder. So ayan, so ano pa ba, ayan, naka-tape pa kasi ito ayan. So it's basically the same like this. So, plastic siya. Then, ito yung ilalim niya. Metal pa rin. Ito yung interlocking niya. Once you step on it, that is a support para hindi bumigay yung ladder ninyo. So, this is how big it is in Innova. Ayan. So, sa 3rd step pa lang maaabot nyo na yung bubong. Or even 2nd step pa lang abot na I bought this for the car dahil hindi ko maabot yung ano. Actually meron pa akong isang ladder kaso ano yun, yung aluminum yun na ano, na yung tawag doon, na fold into 4. Napaka hassle na aalisin mo pa yung pagkaka-unlock niya tapos ipapahaba mo before using it. Ito pagka ano mo, lock mo lang, tatayo mo siya, and then ihiga mo lang na ganyan, okay na ba? That's the importance of this type of ladder than getting the ladder na yung folding. Okay, yung folding na sinasabi ko is somewhat like this. See, right. Yeah. Yeah. So instead of using that, it's better to use something like this. It's way easier, it's way convenient, no? So kung meron kayong small type of work na aayusin, like changing the light bulbs, pwede na to guys. Abot nyo na yan. So instead of getting the aluminum folding ladder that I have, so this is way more convenient and more easier to use. So ayan, so I think yun na po ang ating vlog for today. So wala naman pong also mayroon din pala siyang parang rubber stopper dito. So if in case you will use it with a tile flooring, yan, meron din siyang rubber stopper as well as with this one. Ayan, this is actually parang plastic siya, guys. Ayan, plastic siya. Ingat na lang dahil parang siguro iti-tape ko yan para hindi siya mawala, no? So yun, so I think we're done yan, guys, no? Meron po kayong questions, huwag po kayong mag-hesitate mag-comment. Try po natin ito sagutin sa abot ng ating makakaya. Thanks for watching. Keep safe, everyone. Thanks be to God. Bye for now. Bye.